Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we are going to briefly talk about the Morphe Rose Away 6-piece brush set. Now this is a travel set and I got it for Christmas. I'm very excited to pop it open and see what the brushes look like. The girls love Morphe. The girls always check for Morphe. I've not had a problem with any of the brushes. As a matter of fact, some of my favorite brushes are Morphe brushes. A while back, I did an unboxing of the Morphe Rose Beige set. I still use it. It's been a couple years. They're just quality brushes. I've even thrown these brushes in a laundry bag and put them in the washing machine, and they just continue to perform the way good brushes should. As usual, the packaging is perfect. You can throw these in your purse or in your suitcase. It comes with enough brushes to do like a basic makeup look. We're gonna open it up and see how everything looks. So here's a container. It's leather or pleather. It has the snaps on the side to keep it closed. And here are our brushes. Now, one thing that these brushes don't have is the name or a number on the brush, but that's okay. There's only a few of them and it is listed on the package. First things first, this is the Deluxe Buffer Brush. I would use this brush to pack on foundation. I would even buff out my contour with this brush. The next brush is the Angled Blush and Contour Brush. She's looser. She's not going to pack it on like the other brush would. The next brush is the Mini Buffer Brush. You can use this for eyeshadow. You can use it for contouring the sides of your nose. She's a good looking brush. I would also use this to blend in the concealer on my eyelid before I did my eyeshadow. This one I believe is the Blending Crease Brush. That's what I would use it for. It's very loose, but it's really good to get up in your crease and blend out your eyeshadow so you don't have harsh lines. Then you have the Mini Concealer Brush. I would actually use this brush for putting the concealer underneath my eyes and carving out my brows with the concealer. I wouldn't use this to blend it out though. It's a little bit small for me, but you can definitely try. This is also a really good lipstick brush. If you want to put on lipstick with this, this is a perfect brush for that. Also, because it's kind of thin on the end, you can definitely go under your eyes with this brush. This is a really useful brush. The last brush is the Oval Eyeshadow Brush. And she does exactly what she says she's gonna do. She's an eyeshadow brush. You can put eyeshadow on with this brush. It's not really good for blending, so you definitely want to use the other brush for blending, but this one can also apply your liner and your eyeshadow underneath your eye. You can contour your nose. You can definitely put on your lippy with this as well, so it's a good brush to have. I think this brush set is great for like vacations when you want to put on a quick face but you don't want to do too much. These are the brushes that I would use. I think that we could definitely benefit from having like an angled brush to put the eyebrow pomade on, but whatever, you can add that brush to that. These are shorter. These are not full size because they have to fit in the little container that you are given, and they're for travel. Now, I do travel with full-size brushes too, but these are perfect to have. Here's what they all look like. They have the rose gold that is classic and beautiful. I am a fan of rose gold, and they're all very soft. They're all very smooth. I feel like I could wash these just like I wash all my other brushes and they would last because, you know, Morphe generally doesn't miss when it comes to tools. I will be using these brushes on my upcoming makeup looks, so feel free to follow my Instagram and my TikTok for that at Conversations with Candace, but also follow me here because I do want to continue to put makeup content on my YouTube page. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.